Okay, we're gonna start out with the small stuff. Here's the tuner. It's pretty dusty, the back is gone. Guess what's in here? I think you know what kind of batteries are in here. Duracell, everyone's favorite. Yikes. This is cool antenna. Here's the cassette deck. TCWR 520. Made in Japan. It doesn't work, so the belts are bad. Hopefully that's all it is. Might have to go after that with Goo Gun or something. Okay, so here's the CD player. Dual digital analog converter system, servo stabilizer circuit, 5-disc changer. Nice little display right there. We are gonna see if there's anything inside. The plug is sticky, so that sucks. Okay, it works. It's not opening. Back to the 60s. It's in good shape too. Just needed a little help. A maintenance cassette in there for cleaning. Okay, so here's the turntable. Don't mind Welcome to the Jungle in the background. I'm watching a live stream. Sony branded Audio-Technica stylus was broken. There we go. Select 45. You're going to hear the speaker behind you because that's the one that's hooked up. Volume's not too loud. By the way, the speaker wire that came with it is sticky. Whatever. It works. You can hear it. There's phono, tuner, CD, tape/DAT, video in, 3, laser disc, video 2, in and out, video 1, in and out, monitor, control out, DRLC, some kind of remote thing, speakers, surround speakers, another speaker terminal, 8 to 16 ohms, and we got 3 outlets, all switched. Power standby, surround level, speakers A and B, there's a delay, 15, 20, and 30 ms. Here's some settings. Dolby Hall simulated off. Input balance, treble and bass, video 4 input. Dual room link control. Dynamic bass sound, dB, FB. Here's the offender right here. Very heavy. Time to plug it in, see if it works. Gonna test the tuner. I have AM hooked up to an antenna. Video 1. Why is that lit up all the time? Gonna have to look at the display here. You're gonna see a bunch of crap and squares on the screen because YouTube decided to lower the bit rate. They said, oh, we'll have an enhanced option, but we'll leave the original one alone. And they didn't, and it looks awful. Something's not working. I don't know what the deal is. What the hell? Half a mile from the county fair and the... Okay, here's the RCA LAB 1200. As soon as I hit stop, it did that. Crazy. The switch is pretty iffy. As you can see, there's no problems with colors from the speakers because they're shielded pretty well.
I think I can get a tie-in with the Rutledge Disco Dog.
To move the cabinet, it was pretty easy. I was able to lift it up right here by myself. Here's how dirty it was on the top. Gutting the house I got the stereo from. Here's our cable management. Here we go. All set up and ready to go. Okay, the tuner does work. It's working, the balance is messed up. Maybe the wow and flutter problem came back. Okay, here's our spaghetti mess of wires. We got the antenna hooked up. Right here we have the cable box audio going in here, going out here to the TV. I couldn't get the video out to work. When I switched the inputs, the TV would flash. So I just got another cable like this, the yellow one, and just put it from the cable box straight to the TV. And I hooked up the Mitsubishi speakers to the surround terminals, and we're going to test it out. Yes, it looks kind of stupid, but the repair kit for these didn't come in yet. I don't hear much of a difference.
Good morning.
Whoa, I guess we do.
Yeah. Talk and text
Sounds
with a
good.
flexible data plan.
Whoa, that's a nightmare.
All play. Shishido was growing suspicious.
It's not controlling anything, I just want to balance it out. It's not bad to balance with the speakers and the TV. I don't know why.
Two doctors.
So we could turn the surround mode off because it's not connected to this. It's connected to the amplifier.
Some people think if they really believe that that's what you need to solve